Here's our 2015 Coachman Chaparral Lite 5th wheel camper. This came to us from the insurance company here in Minnesota, although I'm not really sure why. This has a salvage title. I try to do my best to give you as accurate of a description as I can. It's not a flood or anything like that. Everything in it seems to work just fine. Kind of go around the outside. We do have an awning up here. That is power. It will fold out. I do have outside speakers here for outside radio. There is a bit of a kitchen here. This got to get cleaned up a little bit, but there's supposed to be a little pull-out camp stove here. Of course, we got a sink, a little spot for a refrigerator. I believe we have a refrigerator that we bought to put in there. Someone had taken that out of there. You can see a little scuff here in the rear corner. Somebody had wired this up, I'm assuming for a backup camera, because there's wiring here that goes all the way from the rear of it all the way around to the front, but there is no camera actually installed. There is a little bit of a scuff here in this corner, as you can see. Now, one thing we did notice is we do not have the actual keys for these locks. So I'm assuming if you go to a Coachman dealer, they can actually get you another key. Of course, here's all your storage for your propane. See, it's missing this light right here. That's only about $2 or $3, not really a big deal. But here you can see the wiring's attached all the way up to the front here, and there's a video cable here. So it's already wired. You just looks like you need the camera and then a monitor for inside the truck. I'll crawl up underneath here. Let's see the underside. We'll go on inside here. This is kind of one thing that makes me think this is a theft recovery. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage here. Door opens and shuts just fine, but there is just a little bit of damage there. It's not real bad here in the door jamb at all. It's mainly just a little touch of paint or something there. And welcome to the inside. Here we've got our fridge, freezer, oven, microwave, pantry. Here we got a little flip-up countertop. I believe there is a light up here as well in the pantry. Kind of lighting everywhere. As you can see, there's light here above the microwave. Here's a seating area. Of course, our couch. Another thing that this was missing is someone actually stole the TVs out of the camper. So we ended up putting 3 new TVs in it. So, kind of another reason again why I think it's a theft recovery. Radio works just fine. So there's one TV there. Here, of course, we have our bunk beds. Vent, ceiling. There's one TV up under here. Flat screen. Of course, drawers, all kinds of storage in here. And going back into the main area. Here is all of our controls. Power slide outs work and everything just fine. All the lighting seems to work. We have had the air running, so the air runs just fine. Turn some lights on here. Oops. Actually, I believe these light bulbs here are burned out. I'll have to get those replaced. The bedding was also missing as well, so we bought brand new bedding for the bed. And then here, as you can see, the master flat screen TV. And here, master closets, your remotes. Of course, storage above the bed as well. A lot of these, and actually I'm not sure if this one has it. It does. We got storage here underneath the bed. You can't really see it showing up too well in the video, but there is storage there. And again, we have light here up underneath the up top. And that's going to conclude our video for the day. I can tell you I have pulled this vehicle personally, this RV back about 40 miles back from the auction. Pulled just fine. As you saw in the video earlier, the truck we pulled it with pulls it just fine as well. So we didn't notice any flaws in it whatsoever, other than what we've told you in the video. So that's going to conclude our video for the day. If you have any questions, always feel free to send us an email. Thank you very much, and have a good day.